Hi everyone, it's Rosanna and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a very popular and simple recipe. We're going to be making a cilantro lime rice. I'm sure we've all had rice at some point in our lives, so you should be very familiar with it. And today's recipe, it's amazing. You're going to love it every single time you make it. So let's get started. This recipe has very few ingredients and you probably already have them at home. Just know that the outcome is wonderful. Add the water to your rice. Remember that the full recipe will be down in the description area for a perfect ratio of water and rice. Then turn your heat to high and wait for the water to reach a boiling point. Once it starts to boil, add a small amount of olive oil, cover, and let it cook the rest of the way on low heat. While that's cooking, I want to go ahead and show you the ingredients we're going to be using. For this recipe, we will need butter, salt, the lemon and juice from a lime, and lastly, chop some fragrant cilantro. Make sure you run the knife enough for a fine chop. The water has evaporated and the rice looks perfect. Before adding the cilantro, I want to let it reach a warm temperature. We don't want to kill the color and texture of the cilantro for exposing it too soon, but we still want it to be warm so it can melt the butter. Okay, so add the butter and salt. Let me tell you, this butter serves a very important purpose. It will give you a light creaminess and so much flavor. It's such an asset. Also incorporate the lime juice and zest. And lastly, add the cilantro and mix gently after each addition. And there you have it. It cannot get any easier. I love that the cilantro and lime are very present in this recipe, and every other ingredient is just a compliment. Nothing overpowers, it's well balanced in flavor, and the aromas this recipe releases will have you smiling while cooking. Lastly, I like to add some chili flakes. Now all that's left to do is taste. Okay, our rice is done, but before we taste it, I would like to invite you to subscribe and also feel free to look at my main page for a lot more recipes. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you are notified every time there's a brand new recipe. Okay, let's taste. As promised, this rice is incredible. The lemon and the salt actually enhance the flavor so well, you can really enjoy that cilantro taste. So I hope you try this recipe. Come back and let me know down in the comment area how it went. Also give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and remember you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day.